Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about left join in SQL. So in my previous video, I have explained about inner join. So basically join means joining two tables and inner join means retrieving matched records from two tables. And left join which returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. So if there is no matching rows found in right table, then it returns null values. So in this video, to explain on left join, I have created two tables, customers and orders, and inserted some data regarding customers and orders. So let's run these two select statements to see the example tables. So this is my sample data. So you can observe there is a common column customer ID in both the tables, customers and orders. So the link between customers table and orders table is going to be customer ID. So please observe in this customers table, in the customer ID column, the customer IDs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the orders table, you can observe there are no customer IDs 5 and 8. See customer IDs 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2. But there are no customer IDs 5 and 8 in orders table. Let me explain you a real-time scenario on left join. So let's assume Amazon. You might know that Amazon have a lot of customers. So from those customers, some of customers have ordered the products and some customers just logged in but didn't buy any products. So assume these are the customer IDs. In customers table, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the customers who purchased the items from Amazon. So they have order information in order table. But this customer 5 and 8 are the customers who just logged into the Amazon but didn't buy any orders. So they are not present in orders table. I want to display all the customers belongs to Amazon whether they ordered the product or not ordered the product. So for this scenario, I will use left join. So I can get all records from the left table and matched records from the right table. And as there is no any order information for the customers who didn't buy any order, any product, so it returns null value. Write the query, select customer ID, customer name, order date, from customers left join orders. So on, I'm going to give the condition. So first I will give alias names for the customers table, so as C, and the alias name for orders table as 4. So C dot customer ID is equals to O dot customer ID. So from customers table I want customer ID, and from customers table I want customer name, and from orders table I want order total. It's not order date, this is order total. These are the customer names belongs to Amazon, and here 5 and 8, it means David and Karan are the customers who didn't buy any product, so they don't have any order information, so it returns null value in order total column. From we can see customer ID is repeated for 2 times. John Doe who bought 2 products. This is order total for this customer ID. So keep practicing on left join. I will drop this sample data to create tables and insert data in description. Video. Please do subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.